Hey guys, KJ here from kjco.com, and today I'm going to talk about my affiliate marketing coaching, which is basically one-on-one coaching, which I provide to my students, my clients. Basically, they could be anywhere from beginners who are just starting out with affiliate marketing to experienced affiliates who are already running campaigns and they want to improve their revenue. I have had help people who are going 23 30 $40,000 per month to increase their revenue to make it to 50 60 and so on. The way my coaching work is, once you click on the link below this video, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked for all the information about you, your experience level and everything. And once you have signed up for that, we'll look at it, analyze it, and then based on that we'll see how we can help you, and we'll create based on all the information you have provided, we'll create a custom content and then a custom coaching plan, and we'll just get in touch with you, discuss that content with you, learn more about you, your needs, and based on that we'll create your own content. In my coaching, I prefer to give one-on-one coaching via Skype calls and things. Mostly I try to provide exactly what my students are looking for instead of what I have to offer them, or what their weaknesses are, what kind of stuff they are looking for. So that's the kind of stuff I focus on my coaching. So that's why I think it's more helpful for my students, as they exactly got what they are looking for, where they lack, and things like that. So that definitely helps people to improve their revenue, or if they're starting out, and there's content which is basically focused on them, focused on their needs. So that helps out people more, and that's what my coaching is all about. So sign up now, and we'll get in touch with you, and we'll see how we can help you, and we'll get started. Thank you.